Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to Southwind by Century Communities. Now in this video, we are going to be touring their largest floor plan, which is the 2605 right behind me. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like looking at new home build tours, or if you plan on moving to Las Vegas, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right guys, so today is May 28th and we're over here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. We're gonna be touring a Century community called Southwind. Now Southwind hasn't officially opened up. The grand opening is gonna be in 3 days, which is gonna be June 1st. I'm gonna show you guys around. Now I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. Okay, so this community offers 3 different floor plans. They're all 2-story floor plans ranging from about 2,000 square feet all the way up to 2,605 square feet. Okay, now the base prices are gonna range from about $476 all the way up to $507,990. Now this community, they're just building spec homes here, so that means buyers can't pick out their options. With spec homes, that means they pick out all the options, they already start construction, and they're gonna be selling like quick moving homes. So that way, if a buyer wants to get into a house, all they have to do is wait about maybe like 2 or 3 months, okay? But out the door, the prices are gonna be they're gonna range from like the low to the high 500s, okay? Out the door. So, but yeah, a couple things about the community, guys. They're gonna have 148 homes here. The HOA is actually, you're gonna get charged $207 a quarter, which is gonna equate to about $69 per month. Okay, the average lot square foot fee is gonna be about 4,000. Because it's like normally 100 feet deep, 40 feet wide. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the plan 2605. This is gonna be the largest floor plan that this community offers. Now this is going to be 2605 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price as of today is $507,990. Guys, out the door, you're looking at closer to around the $570, $590 range. Okay, just depending on what the builders put in the homes. So remember, all spec homes, builders, they're no Century here. They're no longer doing a building from lot up. They're picking out all the options. All right, so welcome in. This is what you see as soon as you walk in. You got the upgraded white stair rails. You can see the second floor. Okay, there's gonna be a loft area right over here. And then you'll have like your bedrooms right over here. So check that out. You can see the den. Some of the spec homes are gonna make that into a 4th bedroom. Okay, so you have this nice long hallway here. Okay, you got the coat closet. Okay, so you have this open living area right here. 9-foot ceilings. So you have plenty of windows. You got these 3 windows, that slider, those windows over there. You also have your thermostat. It's gonna be located right over here. It's gonna control the downstairs temperature. And then also too, okay, so you have these windows as well. Nice electric fireplace. I believe they are going to be adding more of the electric fireplaces. Some of the quick move-ins that they're making. So welcome to the kitchen. You have plenty of cabinets. Got the upgraded cabinets as well as the quartz. Now, as far as the appliances, guys, as far as the appliances, what they're doing right now, for one of their specials, because the community just opened up. So some of their first few sales, they're going to add in the refrigerator, washer, and dryer. That's not normally included. What is included is you'll have like the Whirlpool dishwasher, oven, stovetop, and microwave. Okay. Now this is upgraded, as you can see, because you have the built-in cooktop. Okay, looks like they added the backsplash here as well. Okay, so it's pretty open, nice open floor plan. Okay, so this is the backyard. Now remember, when you move into your backyard, you're just gonna have a dirt lot. So the front landscaping is gonna be completed. You're gonna have a dirt lot in the backyard, and you'll have a year to complete it. That's how much time the HOA will allow. Okay. Now some of the quick movements will have this covered patio. Some won't. Some will. But yeah, as far as the average lot square footage, it's going to be, most lots are going to be 100 feet deep, 40 feet wide. So that's 4,000. Some backyards actually may be 44 feet wide. So right here, you can have your pantry. This is going to be your den area, little office, working space. Or again, this could be the guest bedroom. But if this is the guest bedroom, I believe this is going to be a full bath. Okay, so right now this is a powder room. Interesting. Oh, hey, how's it going? Good. Okay, so that was the garage there. Okay. So yeah, we'll head into the second floor. So welcome to the second floor. Okay. So it's going to be 8 foot. You're going to have a 8 feet ceiling on the second floor. Nice loft. Good size loft here. Your 2 bedrooms are going to be on this corner with your full bath. Okay. Now these doors are going to be 6x7. You also have transfer grills on the guest bedrooms. The primary bedroom is going to have a jumper duct instead of the transfer grill. Yeah, this room is spacious. So, full-size bed. You have plenty of space right here. Okay, if you're curious to know the dimensions, just shoot me a text or give me a call. I can find that out for you. Okay, I see. We've seen their building out here. Most bedrooms are going to have the pre-wire to the ceiling fan in all the bedrooms. So welcome to the full bath. Beautiful quartz countertop. Okay, you got the undermount sink, the matte black fixtures, which is really nice. Okay, fiberglass shower tub. And then here's your other bedroom. Okay, I feel like that other bedroom was just a little bit more spacious than this one. Okay, but this one does have a walk-in closet. The other one did not. Okay. Yeah, so this is nice. You're gonna have like a bunch of windows right here. So it's always gonna be, there's always gonna be natural light on in the second floor. Nice loft. Okay. So right here, you're gonna have your laundry room. Ooh, okay. So looks like this laundry room is actually connected to the primary walk-in closet. Actually, let me see what this for. Okay, so we got the linen closet. Nice, we got the sink in here. We got some cabinets. Okay, attic access, transfer grill, smart panel box. Again, this is where you connect your internet, your router, and your modem. Okay, cool. And I'll get to that. We'll head through the primary bedroom. But yeah, that's pretty cool. It's connected. Okay, that's very convenient. Welcome in. Oh, wow, very spacious primary bedroom. As you can see, it's king size bed. Nice little accent wall as well. Okay. But yeah, one thing I'm sure of though is with all specs, they won't have like accent walls. That's something that if you personally want done, you have to do it yourself, like after you close. Now guys, if you are watching my video and if you're curious about a new construction community and you feel like you want to go visit one of the communities on your own, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay. Make sure you let your realtor know they go with you on your very first visit. One thing you don't want to do is you don't want to go by yourself, because once the builder agent gets your name, your phone number, and email, they won't let you have representation down the road. And you definitely want representation, because the new build agents look after the builder's best interest and we look after yours. So very important to get representation. Okay, nice. So very nice. Okay, so we're in the primary bath. So you have your toilet room right here. Okay, your dual sinks, your walk-in shower. It flows really nicely, actually. And then you have, this is a really large walk-in closet. So you have room over here, some in the corner as well. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, guys, that wraps it up for the plan 2605. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, if you have any questions, you want to know what the incentives are, give me a call, shoot me a text. Until then, I will catch you guys next video.